Good morning. Good morning to all. Last class, last class we covered probability. So now, what is a probability? Once again, please tell me what is a probability. The chances of occurrence is known as a probability. The chances of occurrence is known as a probability. Already we covered some examples. In probability. Okay. So in probability, the questions are depend on kind-based questions, dice-based questions, dice, and playing cards-based questions. For the next one, color ball-based questions. Already in last class we covered first two parts. First one is, for the first one, kind-based questions are completed, and the next one, dice also completed. Then next one, write the playing cards. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning to all. So write the playing cards. So what is the playing cards? How many cards are there in a pack? Please tell me how many cards are there in a pack? $56. Once again, tell me how many cards are there in a pack? It is not 86. It is not 86. A pack has 52 cards only. A pack has 52 cards. How many cards? How many cards are there in a pack? A pack has only 52 cards. Only 52 cards. Clear? How many cards are there in a pack? Only 52 cards. So, but actually the pack has 52 cards plus two jokers plus some plain cards. But here we don't take the plain cards, we don't take the jokers also. We'll take only other than jokers and other than plain cards, that is 52. 52. And here the pack has four suits. Suits means four sets. So you know one private bank, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, you know HDFC. Here just I am changing only one letter instead of HDFC. I am writing HDSC. HDSC. What is HDSC? Four. A pack has four suits. A pack has four suits. Suits means four different types of symbols. That is hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. A pack has four swords. A pack has four swords, that is hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Heart symbol, diamond symbol, spade symbol, and a club symbol. Each and every suit has 13 cards. 13 cards. 13 cards. 13 cards. Total it is 52 cards. Total it is 52 cards. A pack has four swords. A pack has four swords. That is hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Each and every suit has 13 cards. The total number of cards is 52. The total number of cards is 52. Okay. Then what are they? Cards layout. Each suit has 13 cards. What are the 13 cards? So that is 4 letters A, J, Q, K, A, J, Q, K, and the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 cards. These 10 cards and for nine digits and 4 alphabets. 9 digits and 4 alphabets. So total how many cards are there? Total how many cards are there in a pack? Total 13 cards are there in each and every suit. The total number of cards in a pack is 52. The total number of cards in a pack is 52. Each suit has 13 cards. Each suit has 13 cards. The 13 cards are A, J, Q, K, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now, next one here, J, Q, K cards. Here, cards are A, J, Q, K, and numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are 13 cards. Out of these 13 cards, JQK, JQK, these three cards are known as face cards. These three cards are known as face cards. Okay, and honor cards.
These came back from a search.
These AJQK cards are known as honor cards. AJQK cards are known as honor cards. And 2 to 10, these cards are known as 2 to 10, these cards are known as number cards or digit cards. These cards are known as number cards or digit cards. Okay, so once again listen carefully. JQK cards are known as face cards only. Face cards, A is not face card. A is not face card. Okay, so JQK, these three cards are known as face cards. AJQK, including AJQK, these four cards are known as honor cards. And 2 to 10 cards are known as number cards. Now I will ask some questions. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. How many face cards are there? How many cards are there? How many cards are there in a pack? Everyone, please tell me the answer. Please type your answer fast. How many cards are there? 52. Very good offering. How many heart cards are there? How many heart cards are there? 13. Very good. Very good. How many kings are there? How many kings are there? It is not 2. It is not 3. How many kings are there in a pack? Each suit has one king. Total 4 suits. 4 kings are there. Each suit has one king. Total 4 suits are there. So total 4 kings are there. Heart symbol, these 13 cards. Diamond symbol, 13 cards. Spade symbol, 13 cards. So now tell me how many kings are there? One heart king, one diamond king, one spade king, one club king. Total how many kings are there? 4 kings. Yeah, very good. How many queens are there? How many queens are there? 4 queens. Yeah, very good. Then how many face cards are there? How many face cards are there? Please tell me how many face cards are there? J, Q, K cards are known as face cards, but each suit has a three face cards. Each suit has a three face cards. Therefore, four suits, 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12 face cards are there. 12 face cards, very good. Then how many honor cards are there? How many honor cards are there? Total, how many honor cards are there? 16. Yes, very good. Yeah, A, J, Q, K cards are known as honor cards. Each suit has 4 honor cards. Total 4 suits, 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16 honor cards are there. Now here one more important point. One more important point. Heart cards and diamond cards are in red color. Heart cards and diamond cards are in red color, and spade cards and club cards are in black color. Now tell me how many honor cards are there? How many red honor cards are there? How many red honor cards are there? Red, it is not red cards. How many red honor cards are there? Red honor cards, yeah, very good. 8 is right answer. Very good, 8 is right answer. How many black digit cards are there? How many black digit cards are there? Please tell me. How many black digit cards? So 2 to 10 cards. Yeah, very good. Humaira Begum, very good. Your answer is right. 2 to 10 cards are known as number cards or digit cards. Number cards are digit cards. Each suit has 9 number cards. So total black means spades and clubs are in black color. So 9 plus 9, 18 is your right answer. So how many red kings are there? How many red kings are there? How many red kings are there? Please tell me. Red kings, 4. Red kings, 4. Because each and every suit has 2 kings. Each and every suit has 1 king. So red color means a heart and a diamond cards are in heart and a diamond cards are in red color. So 1 heart king and 1 diamond king. So 2 red kings. Yeah, very good. 2 red kings are there. Okay, now write the first question. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases. When a person taken, when a person taken, when a person taken one card from, when a person taken one card from well shuffled pack of cards. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases. When a person taken one card from well shuffled pack of cards. One card from well shuffled pack of cards. Find the probability in the following cases. When a person taken one card from well shuffled pack of cards. What is your answer? What is your answer? Please tell me. One by 52. Find the probability in the following cases when a person taken one card, when a person taken one card from well-shuffled pack of cards. Your friend answer is 1 by 52. Is it right? Is it right? Find the probability in the following cases. Without case, you got the answer. Without question, you got the answer. Find the probability in the following cases. What is the case? What is the question? Question is incomplete, my friend. Question is incomplete, even though you got the answer. So now write the case A. Now write the case A. So actually, what is the question? One pack of cards is there. One pack of cards. In a pack, total 52 cards are there. In a pack, total 52 cards are there. Out of 52 cards, we take in one card. We take in one card. Then what is that card? Case A. The card is a heart card. What is the probability to if a person taken one card from the pack, the card is heart, then what is the probability? What is the probability? So now tell me, what is the probability formula? Number of favorable events by total events. Number of favorable events by total events. So in a pack total, how many heart cards are there? In a pack total, how many heart cards are there? So total 13 heart cards are there. 13 by the total number of cards in a pack is 52. 13 ones, so 13 fours. 1 by 4 is right answer. Thirteen ones, 13, 13 fours, so 52. Therefore, 1 by 4 is right answer. Next question. Question B, at least question B, find the answer. The card is spade card. We take in one card. The card is spade card. Then what is your probability, my dear friends? Please tell me. Spade card. Spades also same in a pack. Total 13 spades are there. 13 by 52 is equal to 1 by 4. C. The card is red card. The card is red card. The card is red card. Then what is the probability? What is the probability? Find the answer. Red card. What is the probability? Total 52 cards are there. Total 52 cards are there. Out of 52 cards, you take in only one card. Then that card is a red card. Then what is the probability? How many red cards are there in a pack? Tell me. Heart symbol 13 cards. So yes, very good. 26 cards. So heart symbol 13, spade symbol 13. Heart symbol 13, diamond symbol 13. So 13 plus 13, 26 cards are there. 26 by the total number of cards in a pack is 52. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is right answer. Next question. Question D. Question D. The card is a king card. King. You take in one card, the taken card is a king. Then what is the probability? What is the probability? How many kings are there? How many kings are there? By what is the probability? Muhammad? 4 kings, okay, but now I'm asking the question is probability. Very good. 1 by 13 is right answer, afraid. 1 by 13. 4 kings are there. 4 by the total number of cards in the pack is 52. 4 ones are 4, 4 13s. 1 by 13 is right answer. Tens. We take in one card, the card is 10. What is the probability? Tens. What is the probability? Again, the answer is same because in a pack total how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. 4 by total number of cards is 52. It is 1 by 30. How many kings are there? 4. How many queens are there? 4. How many diamond cards are there? 4. Sorry. How many diamond cards are there? 13. How many sevens are there? 4. How many nines are there? 4. Okay. So now next question. F. Next question. F. Face card. The taken card is face card. What is the probability? Please tell me. Face card, what is the probability? Each suit has how many face cards? What is face card? J, Q, K cards are known as face cards. One suit has 3 face cards. 4 suits has 4 into 3, 12 face cards. 12 by 52. 12 by 52. So 12 by 52, it is 12 by 52. So both the numbers are excel by 4, 4 3 is 12, 4 13 is 52. Face card probability is 3 by 13. Next question G, honor card. We taken one card, the taken card is honor card. Then what is the probability?
What is
the probability? Honor card. Is it 1 by 52? No. Honor card. Each suit has 4 honor cards. Total 4 suits are there. 4 into 4, 16. 16 by, yeah, very good. Often you answer is right. 16 by 52. 4 4 so 16. 4 13 so 52. 4 by 13. Next question, red card. Next question, a red digit card. Red digit card. Red digit card. Please tell me the answer. How many digit cards are there? 9 digit cards. So red means how many suits? And diamond cards are in red color. So 2 suits and each suit has 9. 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 9, 18. So total 18 digit cards are there. 18 by 52. 2 9s are 18. 226. Next one. Spade. Honor card. Spade honor card. What is the probability? Please tell me. Spade honor card. Spade honor card. Spade, honor card. Honor cards. Spade, honor cards. Honor cards AJQK. Cards are known as honor cards. Okay. Yeah, very good. 1 by 13 is right answer, Afrin. Very good. 1 by 13 is right answer. Humaira Begum. Only 4 honor cards are there. Spade honor cards are 4. 4 by 52 is equal to 1 by 13. Next J, question J. Question J. How many red queens are there? So red king probability. Red cards 13, queens 4, but red queen only 1. 1 by 13. Next, kings or queen. Kings or queen, what is the probability? Kings or queen, what is the probability? Kings or queen? Kings or queen? What is the probability? In last class in permutation combination, already I explained 2 words. In English, 2 words are there, or and and. You know the dictionary meaning of these 2 words. What is the meaning of or? Already you know. What is the meaning of and? You know. But in permutation and combination and probability, or means addition and means or means addition and means multiplication. Or means addition and means multiplication. Please remember, in permutation, combination, and probability, in both the topics, or means addition and means multiplication. So here, king or queen, or word is there. So how many kings are? We are not taking 2 cards. We are taking only 1 card. But out of that 1 card, it's maybe king or queen. So 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 by 52. 4 2 8, 4 13. So 2 by 13. 2 by 13. Very good. Offering answer right. Next question. Spade card or club card? Please tell me the answer. Spade card or club card? Spade card or club card? What is your answer? Spade card or club card? Is it 2 by 13? No. How many spade cards are there? 13. How many club cards are there? 13. 13 plus 13 is 26. 26 by 52. 26 by 52 is equal to 1 by 2. Very good, Humaira Begum. Very good, Afrin. You answer right. Next one, diamond card. Diamond card or queen. Diamond card or queen, please tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, diamond card or queen. Seventeen by 52. One of your friends says 17 by 52. Is it right? Is it right? 17 by 52 is not right answer because how many diamond cards are there? How many diamond cards are there? 13. How many queens are there? 4. So 13 plus 4, 17. But so out of 4 queens, already 1 queen covered in diamond card. Therefore, now only 3 queens are there. 4 queens are there in a pack, no doubt. But out of 4 queens, already 1 queen covered in diamond card. Therefore, 13 plus 3, 16 only. 16 by 52 is equal to 4 4 16, 4 13s. 4 4 so 16, 4 13s. Okay. Now write the next question. Write the next question. Second question. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the next second question. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases when a person taken. Find the probability in the following cases when a person taken 2 cards. When a person taken 2 cards from well shuffled pack of cards. Find the probability in the following cases when a person taken 2 cards from well shuffled pack of cards. 2 cards from well shuffled pack of cards. Now, what is the difference between previous one and this one? In previous case, we taken only 1 card, but now here we are taking 2 cards. Now we are taking 2 cards. So find the probability in the following cases when a person taken 2 cards. When a person taken 2 cards from well shuffled. What is the meaning of shuffle? Mixing. Shuffling means mixing. Well shuffled pack of cards. Well shuffled pack of cards. So now write the case A, question A. Both are kings. Both are kings. Both are kings means first card king and the second card also king. First card king and the second card also king. Both are kings. The first card king and second card also king. Probability of first card king and now we are using and word. Probability of first card king and probability of second card also king. So what is the probability? So we are taking 2 cards. How to take the 2 cards? First to take 1 card, then take next card. Okay. So first card king probability is equal to how many kings are there in a pack? 4 kings. By the total number of cards is 52 into, because here and symbol is there and word is there. Okay, if or word is there, and take addition. If and word, take multiplication. 4 by 52. Out of 52 cards, we taken 1 card, that is a king. And remaining, how many kings are there? 3 kings. By now, how many cards are there? Out of 52 cards, already we taken 1 card. Therefore, now 51 cards are there. 51 cards. Cancel the number. 4 ones 4, 4 13s, 3 ones 3, 3 17s. Now 1 into 1 is 1. 1 by 13 into 17. What is 13 into 17? 13 into 17 is equal to 17 into 13. 17 into 13. What is 17 into 13? What is 17 into 13? 17 tens to 170. 17 3s to 51. 170 plus 51 is 221. Very good, Muhammad. Question B. And my request is please practice the questions. Please practice the questions. If it is possible, take the previous question papers and practice the questions. If you have any doubt, I will clarify your doubts. If you have any doubt, just send the message, send the WhatsApp message to my number 9491614131. Just send the message to this number, then I will clarify your doubt in next class. I will clarify your doubt in next class. And next one, question B. Both are queens or both are diamond cards. Both are diamond cards. Both are diamond cards means first probability of first card diamond and probability of second card also diamond. First card diamond, how many diamond cards are there? 13 diamond cards are there. 13 by 52 into, now we take in one diamond card. Remaining how many diamond cards are there? 12. 12 by, remaining how many cards are there? 51. 51. Now cancel the numbers. 13 ones 13. 13 fours 52. 13 fours 52. 4 ones 4. 4 threes 12. 3 ones 3. 3 17s 51. So your answer is 1 by 17. Your answer is 1 by 17. Next question. First card king and second card queen. We are taking two cards. We are taking two cards. First card is king, second card is the queen. Find the answer. First card king and second card queen. What is the probability? Probability of first card king and probability of second card queen. Probability of first card king. Probability of first card king. What is the probability? So first card king, how many kings are there? How many kings are there in a pack? 4 kings, 4 by 52. Into how many queens are there? We take in one king, but queens, 4 queens are there. Okay, by total number of cards is 51 only. Simplify the values. 4 ones 4, 4 13s 52. Now there is no common factor. 1 into 4 is 4 by 13 into 51. What is 13 into 51? 13 5 is 65. 13 into 50, 650 plus 13 1 so 13. 650 plus 13, 663. So first card king, second card queen. First card king, second card queen. The probability is equal to 4 by 663. Question D. One card is king and another card is a queen. One card is king and another card is a queen. What is the probability? One card is a king, another card is a queen. What is the probability? What is the probability? One card is a king, another card is a queen. Then what is the probability? Find the answer. Find the answer. One card is a king, another card is a queen. So what is the difference between previous question and this question? Both are same? No, both are not same. Here a small difference is there. A small difference is there. That is here question C. First card should be king, second card should be queen. Order is important. And what is the question D? One card is a king, another card is a queen. Order is not important. First card may be king or queen. Second card may be queen or king. Okay. So what is your answer? Question D. Probability of first card king and probability of second card queen, or probability of first card queen and probability of second card king. Both the cases are there. We accept these two things. So now what is the probability? What is the probability? First card king, number of kings is 4, 4 by 52 into second card queen. We take in one king, then queens, we are not touching the queens. So how many queens are there? 4. 4 by the total number of cards is 51 only. Now here R symbol is there. R means a plus. Next, probability of first card queen. Probability of first card queen. How many queens are there? 4 queens. 4 by 52 into kings. 4 kings are there. First we take in one queen, but kings, 4 kings are there, but the total number of cards in the pack is 51 only. Now simplify the value. 4 ones 4, 4 13s 52. Here also 4 ones 4, 4 13s 52. It is equal to 1 into 4 is 4. 4 by 13 into 51. Already you know 13 into 51 is 663. So how to multiply the numbers? 13 into 50, 650. 13 ones 13. 650 plus 13, 663. Plus here also 1 into 4 is 4. Plus 13 into 50. It is 51. 13 into 51 is 663. 4 by 663 plus 4 by 663. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 by 663. 8 by 663. Next question. First card diamond and second card heart. First card diamond and second card heart. What is the probability? What is the probability? Please tell me. Find the answer. First card diamond, second card heart. First card diamond, second card heart. What is your answer? So first card probability of first card diamond and probability of second card heart. How many diamond cards are there? 13. By the total number of cards 52. We take in one card, that is diamond. And remaining how many heart cards are there? Hot cards, 13 hot cards are there, but the total number of cards in the pack is 51 only. 13 ones, 13 fours. Now there is no common factor. Now 1 into 13 is 13 by 4 into 51. 204. 4 into 51 is 204. So your answer is 13 by 204. Next subheading, color ball basic questions. Next subheading, color ball. Color ball based questions. Color ball based questions. Now write the first question. Write the first question. In a bag, 4 red color. In a bag, 4 red color, 5 green color, and 6 black color balls are there. 6 black color balls are there. Then find the probability. Then find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases. Find the probability in the following cases. When a person taken one ball from the bag, when a person taken one ball from the bag, what is your answer? In a bag, 4 red color, 5 green color, and 6 black color balls are there. Then find the probability in the following cases when a person taken one ball from the bag. Again, your answer is 1 by 16. Without question, how you are able to find the answer? Find the probability in the following cases. Case is not given. Okay, now case A, that is red ball. Red ball, how many red balls are there? 4. 4 by the total number of balls in a bag is 15. 4 by 15. There is no common factor for these two numbers. Therefore, 4 by 15 is right answer. Case B, green ball. Green ball. How many green balls are there in a bag? How many green balls are there? 5. 5 by the total number of balls. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. 5 by 15. 5 1 to 5, 5 3 to 15, 1 by 3. 1 by 3. The answer always should be in least form. The fraction always should be in least form. Question C, black ball. How many black balls are there? 6 by the total number of balls is 15. 6 by 15. It is equal to 3 2s, 3 5s, 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now, question D. Either red or black ball. Here again R word is repeated. R means addition. How many red balls are there? 4. How many black balls are there? 6. Red or black means find the sum of these two numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 by 15. 10 by 15 is equal to 5 2s, 5 3s. Next one, green or red ball. Green or red ball. How many green balls are there? 5. Red balls are 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by 15 is your answer. 9 by 15 means 3 3s, 3 5s. So 3 by 5 is right answer. So it is a probability. It is a probability. In probability, I covered all the models. I covered all the models. Now the next one. Next one. Write the tip of the day. Write the tip of the day. Last class, any number multiplied to 550, 500 completed. In last class, any number multiplied to 550, 500 completed. Today we will discuss any number divided by 550 or 500 or 5 after any number of zeros or 5 after any number of zeros. In last class, in yesterday, in previous class, we covered one basic tip, that is any number multiplied with 550, 500, 550, 500, 5000 completed. But today we will discuss any number divided by 550, 500. Any number divided by 550, 500. How to divide with these numbers? For example, 20 by 5. For example, 20 by 5. It is very easy question for you. For example, 300 by 50. It is also very easy question for you. Or 4000 by 500. These all are very, very easy questions for you. Within 2 seconds, you will get the answer, not more than 2 seconds. Within 1 or 2 seconds, you are able to find the answer for these questions. Okay, but why? Because here numerator is exactly divisible by denominator. Numerator is exactly divisible by denominator. Therefore, within seconds you are able to find the answer. Now, if numerator is not divisible by denominator, then how to divide with 550, 500? For example, 23 by 5. 23 by 5, it is not a big question, it is small number. So no doubt, 23 is not exactly by 5. 23 is not by 5. Even though you will get the answer within 4-5 seconds, because 23 is a small number. But now, once again, I don't want to discuss the general method, traditional method. So, but here, I will give one simple technique. If the numerator is not divisible by denominator, if the numerator is not divisible by denominator, even though within a short time we will get the answer with our Vedic method. Vedic method is a wonderful method in the world. It is extraordinary mathematics in the world. So according to this Vedic mathematics, how to divide with 5? Very simple. Don't divide with 5, just to double of the numerator. What is the double of 23? Double of 23 is 46. Okay, double of 23 is 46. Then count the number of digits in denominator. In denominator, how many digits are there? Only one digit. So put a point after one digit from right side. 4.6 is right answer. One more example. 2,830, 28,000, 28,324. 28,324 divided by 50. Divided by 50. Now also the method is same. Now also the method is same. So don't divide with 50. Don't divide with 50. Divide with 50. You can find the answer. It will take more than half a minute, or approximately it will take 1 minute. But with our Vedic method, don't divide with 50. Just double of the numerator. What is the meaning of double? Double means multiply with 2. Double means multiply with 2. So what is the double of numerator? It is 5, 6, 6, 4, 8. 56,648. Then how many digits are there in denominator? Here only 2 digits are there. Put a point after 2 digits from right side. 566.48. See, within 5 seconds we got the answer. Within 5 seconds. Third question. 7, 1, 5, 4, 9, 3, 8, 6, 5, 7 divided by 5 lakh. 715 crores, 49 lakh, 38,657 divided by 5 lakh. So first, how to divide with the very big number? Big number divided by 5 lakh. 5 lakh also big number. How to divide? How to find the answer for this question? General method, no doubt, it will take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes also. More than 2 minutes. But our method, less than 10 to 12 seconds, we'll get the answer. So just to double the number, double means multiply with the 2. Now doubling is not a big question, it's very simple. Within seconds, we can double the number. So what is the double of numerator? Numerator into 2. What is numerator into 2? It is 1, 4, 3, 0, 9, 8, 7, 7, 3, 1, 4. Denominator total 6 digits are there. Put a point after 6 digits. So very good, Muhammad. Your answer is right. 14,309.877314. Very good, my dear Muhammad. Your answer is right. Good. That is the specialty of Vedic math. And take one more example. 39 by 50,000. 39 by 50,000. Double of 39 is 78. 78. But in 78 only 2 digits are there. But in denominator 5 digits. Here 5 digits are not there. So put a point after 5 digits. How it is possible? Here 5 digits are not there. Then how to put a point after 5 digits? Add zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 0.00078. 0.00078 is right answer. Clear? Is there any doubt? Okay. No doubt. No, very good. So for your practice, I will give some questions, find the answers. Only if I will give 4 questions. Only 4 questions. It is a homework question. 9, 12 by 50. 7, 7, 8, 8, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 4 divided by 50,000. Only 2 questions, enough. Find the answer. Only 2 questions. Find the answer. Next question. Next one, next topic. Next question, clock. Next question, clock. Next question, next topic, right? Clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For example, let the present time is 12 o'clock. Let the present time is 12 o'clock. Exactly at 12 o'clock. Minutes and hours and will be coincide at 12. Exactly at 12 o'clock. Minutes and hours and will be coincide at 12. Right or wrong? So now today's topic. Next topic is a clock. Once upon a time, there is no clock, there is no watch, there is no time. Yes or no? So time is there, but we don't know the time word. Our forefathers are thousands of years back, thousands of years ago. So there is no watch, there is no time word, but they followed the time. So with the support of daytime, with the support of shadow, nighttime, with the support of stars, they know the time, they got the time. Okay. So early morning, once upon the 100 or 200 years back, the people wake up at morning, daily morning at 3:30 or 3:30 to 4 o'clock only. Daily morning, especially farmers wake up at 3:30 to 4 o'clock, because daily morning at 3:30 to 4 o'clock we can see 3 to 4 new stars at the east direction on the sky. Yes, now also today also you can see. So if you have any doubt, tomorrow morning wake up at 3:30, then observe the sky in the east direction. Before 3:30 we cannot find the stars, but between 3:30 to 4 o'clock we can find the 3 to 4 stars at each direction. It means the farmers have started their work. That is approximately daily, approximately between 3:30 to 4 o'clock only. Now also we can see. Okay. So, is it possible to wake up at 3:30 to 4 o'clock for you? For you. Okay. Daily, nowadays, now youth means you only. Your wake up time is 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Sometime. So, wake up at before 5 o'clock only. Now onwards, at least tomorrow onwards, please change your schedule, because now you are preparing for competitive examination. Please don't waste your time. And please wake up at before 5 o'clock only. And please avoid all unnecessary things. So Facebook, WhatsApp, movies, and chatting. 6 o'clock I wake up, sir. Okay. Try to wake up at 5 o'clock. So wake up at 6 o'clock means you are not doing namaz at morning 5 o'clock. Yes. You are not doing namaz at 5 o'clock. Before 5 o'clock, please wake up at before 5 o'clock. And Please do the namaz also. So many benefits are there. So many benefits are there with namaz. That is pray to the Allah, and also if you do the namaz, your memory power will be increased. You will be healthy. You will be healthy. Yes, so many wonderful results are there with namaz. Okay, so please don't neglect the namaz. That is praying the Allah, and also I do namaz. Yeah, very good. So, what are the benefits of namaz? Do you know? First point is you will become healthy. Second point, your memory powers will be increased. Your memory powers will be increased. And the third point, you have good patience. You can do whatever you want, whatever you want. So many special things are there, my dear friends. So please wake up at 5 o'clock only. Please wake up at 5 o'clock and plan your schedule. Okay, now come to this point. Then today we have watch, we have time, we have clock, we have hand watch, we have wall clock, and time is there in our mobile also. Time is there in our mobile also. So but what is the clock shape? Initially the clock was there in circle shape. Initially the clock was there in circle shape, but after that the wall clocks are there in so many different shapes. So many different shapes. It is in square shape, rectangle shape, circle shape, triangle, and we don't know some shapes names also. We don't know some shapes names also. Okay, but here clock means take only circle shape. Please don't take any other shape, because initially the first clock was there in circle shape. So that's why, my dear friends, clock means only circle shape. Only circle shape. Clear? So now for example, it is in circle. Tell me what is the total angle in a circle? What is the total angle in a circle? Please tell me. What is the total angle in a circle? 360 degree. Very good. So 360 degree is right answer. Very good, Afrin. Very good. Akbari Begum, your answer is right. Good. Your answer is right. So then there is no response from some other students. There is no response. You are not actually participating. Maria, Mohammed, Sabah Begum, Nazneen, Rubina Begum. Please try to find the answer. Please try to find the answer. Okay, so it is in circle shape. The total angle in a circle is 360 degree. Let the present time is 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, minutes hand and hours and both the hands are there at 12. Both the hands are there at 12. Now my question, how many minutes? How many minutes? Minutes and will rotate one circle and reach at 12. How many minutes? Minutes and will rotate one circle and reach at 12. How many minutes? Minutes and will rotate one circle and reach at 12. Tell me the answer. 60 minutes is right answer. 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, minutes and will rotate. So in 60 minutes, minutes and will rotate one circle and reach at 12. So in 60 minutes, it will rotate one circle, means in 60 minutes, minutes and will cover 60 degree. In 60 minutes, minutes and will cover 60 degree. So first point, please write first point. First point, please note on the first point. In 60 minutes, minutes and will cover 360 degree. In 60 minutes and will cover 360 degree. In 60 minutes and will cover 360 degree. Now, in 1 minute, please note down first point. In 1 minute, minutes and will cover 360 by 60 is equal to 6 degree. Three 60 by 60. In 60 minutes and will cover 360 degree, because in 60 minutes and will rotate one circle. Therefore, it will cover 360 degree. In 1 minute, minutes and will cover 360 by 60, 1 degree. Now, next question. Let the present time is 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, minutes and hours and will be coincide at 12. At 12 o'clock, minutes and hours and will be coincide at 12. Now tell me, in how many hours and will rotate to one circle? How many hours and will rotate one circle? Please tell me. Anyone, please tell me. How many hours and will rotate one circle? 12 hours, it is not 24 hours. Present time is 12 o'clock. Then after 12 hours, it will rotate one circle and reach at 12. In 12 hours and will rotate one circle. Therefore, in 12 hours and will cover. In 12 hours and will cover 360 degree. So write the second point. In 12 hours and will cover 360 degree. Next one, in 1 hour. In 1 hour, hours and will cover 360 by 12. 360 by 12 is equal to 30 degree. 360 by 12 is equal to 30 degree. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, hours and will cover 30 degree. In 1 minute, hours and will cover 30 by 60 is equal to 30 by 60 is equal to 1 by 2 degree. Right, the second point. First point is in 60 minutes and will rotate one circle. In 60 minutes and will rotate one circle. So in 60 minutes and will rotate one circle. Therefore, in 60 minutes and will cover 360 degree. And 1 minute, minutes hand will cover 360 by 66 degree. Then hours hand, in 12 hours, hours hand will rotate one circle. Therefore, in 12 hours, hours hand will cover 360 degree. In 1 hour, hours hand will cover 360 by 12. It is equal to 30 degree. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, hours hand will cover 30 degree. In 1 minute, hours hand will cover 30 by 60 is equal to 1 by 2 degree. Third point. What is the third point? So between 12 and 1, 5 units, 5 small units gap is there. Between 1 and 2, 5 small units gap is there. Between 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 5 and 6. Between any two numbers, the gap is 5 units. The total gap in a clock is 60 units. The total gap in a clock is 60 units. The total angle is 360 degree. 360 degree is equal to 60 units gap. 60 units gap. Half of 360 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, if the angle is 180 degree, then gap should be 30 units. Half of 180 is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree is equal to 15 units gap. So it is important point. 90 degree means right angle. 90 degree means right angle. The questions are like between 4 and 5 o'clock. Between 4 and 5 o'clock, at what time minutes and hours hand will be right angle? Between 4 and 5 o'clock, at what time minutes and hours hand will be right angle? So what is your answer? At what time the angle is right angle? You need not to find the answer, just to find the angle. Between 4 and 5 o'clock, at what time the angle should be at 90 degree. Instead of finding the angle between 4 and 5 o'clock, at what time the gap between minutes and hours and is 15 units. So that is your answer. If the gap is 15 units, no doubt that is right angle. No doubt that is right angle. So please note down the third point or take a screenshot. That is your choice. 360 degree is equal to 60 units gap and 180 degree is equal to 30 units gap. 90 degree is equal to 15 units gap. Next one, fourth point. Fourth point. It is 12 o'clock. It is 3. It is 6. It is 9. Exactly 12 o'clock. Exactly 12 o'clock. Minutes and hours and will be coincide. Exactly 12 o'clock. Minutes hand and hours hand will be coincide at 12. Okay. So what is the fourth point? What is the fourth point? So, for example, present time is 12 o'clock. Present time is 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, these two hands will be coincident at 12. These two hands will be coincident at 12. Now, after 60 minutes, minutes hand will rotate one circle and reach at 12. After 60 minutes, hours and will move from 12 to 1 only. So in 60 minutes, so what is the present point? What is the present point? So in 60 minutes, minutes and will rotate one circle, means how many small units gap is there? How many small units gap is there? Between 12 and 1, 5 units gap. Between 1 and 2, 5 units gap. Total gap in a clock is 12 and 5, 60 units. So minutes and will rotate one circle means minutes and will cover 60 units. So in 60 minutes, minutes and will cover how many units? Minutes and will cover 60 units. 60 units. And in same time in 60 minutes, hours and will cover. In 60 minutes, hours and will cover. So hours and will reach from 12 to 1 only. 12 to 1 only. Therefore, hours and will cover 5 units. Hours and will cover 5 units only. 5 units. Okay. So now in 60 minutes, minutes and covered 60 units, hours and covered 5 units. Therefore, in 60 minutes, minutes and will gain. In 60 minutes, minutes and will gain 55 units over hours and. Is it right or wrong? In 60 minutes and will cover 60 units because it will rotate one circle. And in 60 minutes, hours and will cover 5 units only because it will move from 12 to 1 only. 12 to 1, 5 units gap. So in same time, 60 minutes and will cover 60 units, hours and will cover 5 units. Therefore, in 60 minutes and will gain 60 minus 5. 60 minus 5 is 55 units over hours and. Same statement in reverse order. To gain 55 units, it will take 60 minutes time. So same as it is to gain 1 unit, it will take how much? It will take 60 by 55. 60 by 55 is equal to 5 12s, 5 11s. So it is the next point. It is the next point, fourth point. In 60 minutes and will cover 60 units, hours and will cover 5 units. So in 60 minutes and will gain. In 60 units, in 60 minutes and will gain. 60 minus 5 is 55. 55 units over hours and. Same statement, reverse order. To gain 55 units, it will take 60 minutes. To gain 1 unit, it will take 12 by 60 by 55 is equal to 12 by 11 minutes. Now tell me, is there any doubt? Okay, I think it is clear. Fourth point, there is no doubt. Now, next question. For example, let the present time is 2 o'clock. Let the present time is 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock hours and at 2 o'clock hours and at 2 minutes and at 12. Now my question, from 2 to 3. So in next 1 hour, hours and will reach from 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 in this 1 hour, how many times minutes and hours and will be coincide? How many times minutes and hours and will be coincide? Please type your answer. In 1 hour, from 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 in this 1 hour, how many times minutes and hours and will be coincide? Only once, very good, very good. Only once is right answer. Only once, only one time, because the present time is 2 o'clock. Present time is 2 o'clock. Exactly 2 o'clock at hours at 2 minutes and at 12. After some time, these two hands will be coincide. Coincide, if the two hands are coincide, what is the angle between these two hands? What is the angle between these two hands? 0 degree. If two hands are coincide, if two hands are coincide, no doubt the angle between minutes and hours is 0 degree. So each and hour, 1 hour, only one time minutes and hours will be coincide. Very good. Your answer is right answer. Akbari Begum, your answer is right. Very good. Now 1 hour, one time. 2 hours, how many times? 2 times. 5 hours, how many times minutes and hours will be coincide? 1 hour, one time. 2 hours, 2 times. 5 hours, 5 times. 10 hours, 10 times. 12 hours, it should be 12, but it is not 12 times, only 11 times. Each and hour, only one time, minutes and hours will be coincide, but in 12 hours, it is not 12 times, only 11 times. These two hands will be coincide. Why? What is the reason? Between 1 and 2, one time these two hands will be coincide. 2 and 3, one time. 3 and 4, one time. Each and hour, one time. Minutes and hours will be coincide. But between 11 and 1 o'clock, only one time at 12 o'clock, these two hands will be coincide. Why these two hands are not coincide between 11 and 12? These two hands are not coincide between 11 and 12. These two hands are not coincide between 12 and 1. But between 11 and 1 o'clock, only one time at exactly 12 o'clock. Only one time at exactly 12 o'clock, these two hands will be coincide. Why these two hands are not coincide between 11 and 12? For example, let the present time is 11 o'clock. Exactly 11 o'clock. Hours and is at 11. Hours and at 11. Minutes and at 12. So after 5 minutes, minutes and will reach from 12 to 1. Minutes and will reach from 12 to 1 and 11:10. It will reach from 12 to 2, 12:10, 12:15, 12:20, 12:25. At 12:25 also these two hands are not coincide. At 12:25 also these two hands are not coincide. 12:30, 11:30, 11:25, 11:30, 11:45. At 11:45, hours and is very close to 12. Minutes and will reach up to 9 only. 11:50. At 11:50, minutes and will reach 10. Hours and is very close to 12. 11:55. Hours and is very close to 12. Minutes and at 11. So exactly 12 o'clock only. Minutes and hours and will be coincide. Now you know that minutes and speed is more than hours and speed. Minutes and speed is more than hours and speed. Therefore, next second, minutes and will overtake the hours hand. So in next 1 hour, hours hand is unable to catch the minutes hand. Therefore, exactly at 12 o'clock, between 11 and 1 o'clock, only one time at 12 o'clock, these two hands will be coincide at exactly 12 o'clock. So 1 hour one time, 12 hours 11 times. Then in a day is nothing but 24 hours. How many times these two hands will be coincide? How many times these two hands will be coincide? 22 times. So this question is so many times repeated. So coincide. Each and hour only one time, minutes and hours and will be coincide. Then next one, next sixth point. How many times minutes and hours and will be right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Exactly 3 o'clock. Exactly 3 o'clock. Hours and at 3. Minutes and at 12. Minutes and at 12. Therefore, it will be right angle. Therefore, it will be right angle. But 4 o'clock. For example, time is 4 o'clock. Exactly 4 o'clock. Exactly to 4 o'clock, hours and at 4, minutes and at 12, minutes and at 12. So at 4 o'clock, hours and at 4. Exactly 4 o'clock, hours and at 4, minutes and at 12. So according to third point, if right angle means how many units of gap? If the gap between minutes and hours and is 15 units, then it will be right angle. If the gap between minutes and hours and is 15 units, then it will be right angle. But at 4 o'clock, how many units gap is there? 20 units gap. 20 units gap. So after 1 hour, minutes and will rotate one circle. So minutes and speed is more than hours and speed. Minutes and speed is more than hours and speed. So now 20 units. So now gap is 20 units. Gradually, the gap will be decreased. So 20 units will become 19 units, 18 units. After some time, gap will become 15 units. So that is one time. That is one time. And after some time, minutes and will overtake the hours hand. After some time, these two hands will be coincide. Then this side also, gap will become 15 units. So each an hour, 1 hour, 2 times minutes and hours and will be right angle. 1 hour 2 times means 2 hours or 4 times, 3 hours 6 times. But in 12 hours, it should be 24, 12 into 24. But it is not 24 times. The reason is from 2 to 4. From 2 to 4, how many hours? 2 hours. 1 hour 2 times means 2 hours, it should be 4. But here it is not 4 times. Between 2 and 3, 1 time, 3 and 4, 1 time, exactly 3 o'clock, 1 time. So from 2 to 3, 3 times only. Same as it is from 8 to 9. Between 8 and 9, 1 time, 9 and 10, 1 time, exactly 9 o'clock, 1 time. Exactly 9 o'clock, 1 time. So from 8 to 10, in these 2 hours, only 3 times these two hands will be coincide. Therefore, 1 hour 2 times, 12 hours, it should be 12 into 2, 24. But here it is not 24, only 22 times. 22 times minutes hand and hours hand will be right angle. 22 times minutes hand and hours hand will be right angle. Then next one, 12 hours 22 times. In a day means 24 hours. In a day means 24 hours. 24 hours double of 22 is 44. So in a day, 44 times minutes hand and hours hand will be right angle. 44 times minutes hand and hours hand will be right angle. Now seventh point, opposite direction. Two hands are opposite direction. Two hands are opposite direction means the angle between minutes hand and hours hand is 180 degree. The angle between minutes hand and hours hand is 180 degree. So each and hour only one time minutes hand and hours hand will be opposite direction. Each and hour only one time minutes hand and hours hand will be opposite direction. 1 hour one time means 12 hours 12 times, but it is not 12 times. Between 5 and 7 o'clock, between 5 and 7 o'clock only one time these two hands will be opposite direction. Only one time. Therefore, 1 hour one time, 2 hours two times, 12 hours. It is not 12 times. 12 hours. 12 hours only 11 times. These minutes hand and hours hand will be coincide. 12 hours 11 times. Then in 24 hours. In 24 hours 11 plus 11 22 times. 11 plus 11, 22 times. These two hands will be opposite direction in 24. Okay. So please remember these points. If you are good in these points, then we can start the questions. Now tell me if you have any doubt, please ask me. I will clarify your doubts. If you have any doubt, please type your question. I will clear your doubt. No doubt. Shall I start the examples, questions? Question. Now write the first question. So, if you have any doubt, please type your question. If you have any doubt, please type your question only. No doubt. Now write the first question. Find the angle between minutes hand and hours hand. Write the first question. First question. Find the angle between minutes and hours and at 2:40. Either AM or PM, the answer is same. Either AM or PM, the answer is same. Either AM or PM, the answer is same. How to find the angle? No answer. Be active. Try to find the answer. If you got the answer, okay. Otherwise, I will explain. Okay, so listen here. Find the angle between minutes hand and hours hand. At 240. It is 12. It is 3. It is 6. It is 9. Exactly at 2 o'clock. Exactly 12 o'clock. These two hands will be coincide at 12. 240. At 240, hours hand is between 2 and 3, just near to 3. And minutes hand is eight. Minutes hand is 8. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 o'clock, these two hands will be coincide at 12. 240 hours and at between 2 and 3 minutes and is exactly at 8. Now, what is the angle between these two hands at 240? You should find the angle between these two hands. Instead of finding this angle, angle between these two hands, one more method is there. First, to find the angle between baseline to, let this baseline. Two hands are coincide at 12, therefore let this line is baseline. Now find the angle between baseline to hours and find the angle between baseline to minutes and now find the difference between these two angles. That is your answer. Okay. Now tell me, present minutes hand is there at 8. How many minutes hand will reach from 12 to this point? 12 o'clock, exactly 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock hours and at 2 minutes and at 12. Minutes and at 12. How many minutes it will reach from 12 to this point? In 40 minutes. In 40 minutes it will reach. What is the first point? In 1 minute, minutes and will reach. In 1 minute, minutes and will cover. Again, the first point, 6 degree. Now, in 40 minutes, minutes and will cover 40 into 6. It is equal to 240 degree. Therefore, the angle between baseline, this baseline to the angle between this baseline to this minutes hand is 240 degree. Now, how many minutes, hours and will reach from 12 to this point? How many minutes, hours and will reach from 12 to present position? In 2 hours to 40 minutes only. After 2 hours to 40 minutes only, hours and will reach from 12 to present position. 2 hours to 40 minutes means how many minutes? 2 hours to 40 minutes means how many minutes? That is 1 hour 60 minutes. 2 hours 120 minutes. 2 hours 120 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes means 120 plus 40, 160 minutes. So in 1 minute, hours and will cover. In 1 minute, hours and will cover. Hours and will cover 360. In 1 minute, hours and will cover half degree. Now how many minutes? So after 2 hours to 40 minutes, hours and will reach from 12 to present position. 2 hours to 40 minutes. Convert hours to minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes. 2 hours 60 plus 60, 120 minutes. 120 plus 40, 160 minutes. So in 160 minutes, hours and will cover 160 into half. It is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, the angle between baseline to minutes hand is 240 degree. Baseline to hours hand is 80 degree. Now the required angle. Therefore, the required angle. The angle between minutes hand and hours hand is 240 minus 80. 240 minus 80 is equal to 160 degree. 160 degree. This is the answer. But my dear friends, in the examination, please don't follow this method. Here one simple method is there. One simple method. I will explain the simple method. But first, please write the general method. Please write the general method. Then after that, I will explain the simple method also. Please note down. Please write the general method. Now, simple method, I will discuss the simple method. The simple method is formula method. Formula method. So, write the formula. The angle between minutes hand and hours hand is mod 11m by 2 minus 30h. Mod 11m by 2 minus 30h. The angle between minutes hand and hours hand is mod 11m by 2 minus 30h. If we know the formula, within seconds we will get the answer. Here, where m is minutes, h is hours. M means minutes, h means hours. So what is the previous question? That is 240. Previous question is 240. Substitute the values. Mod. Mod means, what is the meaning of mod? These are two straight lines are known as mod. Mod means the value is always positive. The value is always positive. So 11 into m value 40. 11 into 40 by 2 into 30h. 30 into h value is 2. It is equal to 2 ones of 2 20s. 11 into 20. 11 into 20. 220 minus 30 into minus 30h. Minus 30 into 260. 220 minus 60 is equal to 160 degree. So within seconds you will get the answer. Within seconds you will get the answer. Okay, so in class some more models are there. The next class I will discuss each and every model. Thank you.